What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys for tuning in for another video. Today we have the Play Power Pod. There it is right there from TPOB Pros. Made a promise to my mama that I gotta be better than I was. So if you have not seen the clipper that's taken the industry by storm, you've been living under a rock, because the TPOB Play clipper is the greatest clipper out right now, and it comes in many different colorways. You got the black and green, you got the all pink pastel that we got sitting here, you got the white out version, you got the black out version, you got the gunmetal gray. But anyways, so the TPOB Play comes with a well, they're separate tools. You have the TPOB Play trimmer, you have the TPOB Play clipper, as you can see there, and then you have the TPOB Play shaver. So it has the very quiet motor. I'm not going to go over all the specs. If you guys want to learn more about those videos, click the card up top, and I'll go over one of the trios that I've done before, so you guys can get a glimpse of what comes with the box, all that stuff, all the specs, the RPMs, the I don't know what you would want to hear, whatever you want to know about it. I've covered it in another video. Check it out. But right now, today, we're covering the TPOB Pro Play Power Pod. Man, that's a lot to spit out there. But anyways, so here we go. It's all plasticed up. It's very, very nicely packaged. It's got a vacuum sealed, as you can see there. Not complaining about this. It looks like a slide box. So on the back here, you can see where it comes apart, and we're going to slide that open. But we have an area for the shaver, trimmer, and clipper, as you can see there. Let me flip over so you can read that. So shaver, trimmer, clipper. Overall, I'm digging it. So TPOB never disappoints with the overall packaging ever. I have showed you guys the charger before when I got the prototype, but this is the official unboxing here. The official. Let's try to get a thumbnail. See, without a glare. I think that's as best as we're gonna get it, huh? Right there. Or maybe I should wait till we get the plastic off. I'm an idiot. Anyways, has green LED indicator lights on the side, and also where the Play lights up when you plug it in. On the back, there's really no specs at all. TPOB Play Power Pod on the back, TPOB Pro right there. But let's get it sliced open and let you guys see what's on the inside. We're gonna put all the clipper, trimmer, shaver inside the dock so you can see what it looks like as well. But let's get to unboxing it. We're just gonna go ahead and cut there, slice both sides, and then we're just gonna go ahead and tear this plastic off. Voila. There we go. This is always one of the most satisfying parts of any unboxing, is getting everything all taken off, unpackaged. But here we go. There it is, guys. As I said, you have the LED indicator light there. You got an LED indicator light here. But let's go ahead and slide the top off here. This is always satisfying. It's just like slowly, bam. There we go. So as you can see here, of course, you have your charging cord here with all the specs and information for anybody who's a nerd and has to see all that stuff. There's that, and then this part right here goes into the charging dock, of course. So let's go ahead and take the charging dock out. So there it is, guys. Let me try to get that back a little bit. There it is, the TPOB Play Power Pod. Now I'm really digging this. Right here at the bottom, we have some rubber grips, as you can see there. And then so when you have this on a flat surface, those rubber grips stop it from sliding and moving around. Of course, you have your Play LED indicator light, so once that plugs in, that'll light up. You have an LED light on this side, and then also on this side. On the back side here, you could, depending on where you want to charge it, there is 2 charging ports right there. So depending on what side of the your station is more convenient, I think this is an awesome concept to add to this Power Pod. On the back there, you have the Play branding, but this is really, this is something that's very small and minute to some people, but it does make a difference. Like if my charging dock is sitting here and my outlet is this way, of course I want, a cord to be on this side, or, if it was on this side, then, put it on this side. So just a little small, detail that TPOB was sure to look at and understand and add to the value of this power pod. So there it is. I'm gonna plug it in, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw some clippers in there so you guys can see it light up. So we plugged in the cord, and then so your charging dock is right here, or your charging port. Go ahead and put the plug into that, and as you can see, that lights up the LEDs. So there is the Play LED indicator light on the front. That looks sick. I like how that looks. It just adds like some extra, spice to your station. But there's the other LED light on the sides. Now what we'll do is we'll put the actual tools inside the dock. There is the charger. There's a shaver. There is the clipper, and there is the trimmer. So now I know y'all are probably wondering, like, why is this light different? So this clipper right here was actually the initial prototype that I got sent last year, like I would say 6 or 7 months before the release date. So this clipper right here, the prototype, is still going strong, but that's neither here nor there. There is the charging dock. You can see how it's looking. Everything's charging up. As you can see here, this is fully charged. So if you guys don't ever read the boxes, LED indicator light, when it's fully solid, that means that it is fully charged. If it's blinking, that means that it's charging. If it's blinking red, that means that it's almost about to die. If it's solid red, that means that it's a low charge and it needs to be charged up. But overall, I am digging how this looks right here. This looks great on your station. As you can see here, if this was my station, doesn't take up a lot of room. I'd say it's about, I'd say it's about 12 inches. If you'd say it's about the size of a roller, as you can see right there. So, just a great overall addition to your station. I really dig how it looks. The other thing that I did want to show you guys is going to be the new chunk blade. So this is the new chunk blade. This is the silver one. So I want to give you guys a little gander, a little look-see at this. So there it is. Now it doesn't differ much from the black one, just the color, of course. But let me go ahead and take this out so you guys can take a closer look. So there is the chunk blade. You can see has the chunk branding on there. I like that, little designs on there. But this right here, this feels really good. Then you have your oil reservoirs on the back. That's what these little indentations are. These little lines. That's for oil to sit. And then on the inside of every tooth, as you can see, those little indentations in there, those are the reservoirs where oil can sit. So that is the stationary blade, and there is your cutting blade. So very, very nice. I like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw you know what, we'll just do a separate video for this so you guys can see. But there is the charging dock, guys. All right, y'all, so y'all seen it, the TPOB Power Pod, the TPOB Pro Play Power Pod. So there it is, guys. You guys seen the overall look of it. It looks very, very nice. Overall, I'm digging this power pod. I think it looks sick. So I got 2 of them now. So I think I'm gonna swap out I don't have a lot of room in my station. So I think I'll have to swap out my magnetic mat. I'm gonna have to put that away for the time being, and then I think I'm gonna throw these docks onto the station and just charge all my plays on there. So I have a play with the softy blade, I have a play with the pencil blade, I have a play with the psycho blade, and then we just got the TPOB crazy blade. So I'm gonna throw the TPOB crazy blade on this trimmer we have here, and I think I'm gonna do that in another video. So on the next video, I'm gonna throw the chunk blade on the TPOB play that I have right here, and I'm also throw on the crazy blade onto the trimmer. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. All right, guys, I think on tpobusa.com, this is sitting at, I want to say like $69.99 right now. So if you use code Jayblends, you can save yourself 20% off of your purchase. Not 5, not 10, not 15. 20% off of your purchase. So make sure you go use that code. Go support your boy one time, but go save some money. So, TPOB already makes things so affordable, and then adding a 20% discount code on top of it, you can't go wrong. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, turn your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.